In 2010, my learning journey began at Bilong Pikinini Learning Center. This school holds a special place in my heart because it was there that I first learned how to read, write with the help of Miss Peter. I will always be grateful to the teachers and sponsors who made such a wonderful learning environment possible for us at such a young age.
Once again, good morning everyone. My name is Barulagi. I'm 15 years old and I come from a mixed heritage of Tatana and Rigo village. I am currently doing grade 8 at Bday Technical Secondary School.
Good day everyone. My name is Delilah Uro. I'm 20 years old from Wanigala village. It is a great honor to stand here today to share a bit about my educational journey and what has inspired me along the way.
Good day everyone. My name is Helen Dai and I was a pioneer student at Bday Pikinini. I first attended the library when it was established in 2014 when I was 6 years old.
Hey everyone, and happy 18th anniversary to Bday Pikinini. My name is Maya Baigago Kagoa and I am 14 years old. I am currently in grade 9 at Bday Secondary School.